So guys, the first one I'm going to be sharing with you is going to be a tool that you are going to be using to get videos, and these are cool videos. Now guys, I want you to think about this. If you are not going to be showing your face, then definitely your audience has to see something. Now guys, this tool is going to help you get videos, and it's very important. And I'm going to be sharing sites like Pexel to you, pixabay also, and a video that properly explain how you are going to be using it.
Websites like Pixabay or Pexels offer you free stock footage where you can literally type in anything. For example, if I need a yacht, I'd quickly click on yacht, click on videos, and then as you can see, we have all of these videos that we can use in our YouTube videos. For example, let's say that we need a yacht party clip. We simply click there, and then there you go. Now these are just random clips, right? But you could also type in, say Miami, and then you've got all of these clips. And then you would click on one, and you can simply use these, right? Now these are very short clips, but you also have longer clips, which I'm not sure if I can find right away, but they are out there. However, can you use them and can you monetize them? First of all, let's make clear that you can actually use them yourself without getting in trouble. So what you can see, license, free to use, no attribution required, meaning that you can simply take this video and use it yourself in your YouTube video. You won't get in trouble with copyright, so you won't get a strike.
So guys,